Touchdown. Every morning, 10 times, not just now and then. Once more, on eyes, nuts to the flabby guys. Oh, you chicken fat. Oh, you chicken fat.
Right, the tortoise. Slow. Now go fast.